So we're about to head off. Surprisingly, it's actually a really nice day today. If you look outside, it's super, you can tell it's like super blue. So hopefully it stays like that during the drive. I don't know exactly where in Idaho we're going. We're going with my family, so we'll see how good the roads are. And we got a full car ride. And so 4 people riding in my car and bringing our dog Bella. So it'll be super fun. So yeah, ready to go.
Welcome to Idaho. There's not much here. It's just flat.
Yeah.
And it's got gorges.
Yeah, so we're gonna take some shots here. A lot different from what Oregon has. There's no trees, so gotta open up our creativity, but there's always room for drone shots. So I guess let the edit begin.